Nature knowledge quiz. If you can't get 5 out of 5, it's time to learn more about the wild side of nature. First one.
What's the only forest that makes its own rain? Amazon.
Second one.
Which plant grows faster than anything else on Earth? Bamboo.
Third one.
Which animal never drinks water its entire life? Kangaroo rat.
Fourth one.
Which animal can survive being frozen solid and come back to life? Wood frog.
Fifth one.
What tree releases a gas that helps cool the air? Coconut tree.
How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Follow for more crazy nature's fact you probably never heard.